What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, coming to you today, live, Thursday. So I've got a big announcement to make. This week has been kind of a quiet week. Haven't put out a lot of content, and the reason is because I have been working on a new partnership with a new company. So I will be now officially part of the team over there at Mile High Multicopters. So they're going to be sending me a new 7-inch frame. I'm going to be building that out. I'm going to be using that for long range. And so I've been kind of shopping around looking for a new 7-inch frame anyway, because I wanted to try some new things out, and this is a good opportunity to work with another company. So I will be doing a unboxing, so look for that next week. I will be doing a build video, and then I'll be doing a maiden flight, and then just flying the heck out of it. Also coming up at the end of next week, I will be leaving for Arizona to Whooptopia, so make sure you follow me on all my social medias, including here on YouTube, where I will be doing a lot of vlog style for the Whooptopia. Can't wait to get there. There's going to be a lot of big names. Jesse is going to be there from Tiny Whoop. Ben will be there from Tiny Whoop. Chris from Newbie Drone will be there. There's going to be a ton of people. So really looking forward to it. The last time I was there, I had an absolute blast. So again, I would like to officially announce that I am on the team with Mile High Multicopters, and I'm going to be partnering with them for doing long range and 7-inch frames. So thanks to them for sending the frame, and thanks for them to basically supporting me and helping me out. So we'll see how this new frame holds up. We'll see how it does. And thanks guys for watching as always. So stay tuned tomorrow. I'll have a new Tiny Whip video out. And as always guys, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.